How y'all doing? This is Noodles, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, you know what I'm saying? Okay. So, I got one today from Thailand. Mama Cup Instant Rice Noodles Spicy Stir-Fried Baby Clam flavor. Check that out. Woo. 210 calories of baby clam lovin' right here. I'm pretty excited about this one. How's your guys' day going? Mine is going swell. Real swell. I think. Pretty sure it seems that way. So, is this a drain? It is a drain. I drain it. I'm gonna have to rethink my bowl option. Comes with an included fork, a trident, and it comes with a sachet of sachets. Let's crack this puppy open. Look inside. Powder, goo, solid materials. That one does go in, ladies and gentlemen, before the drainage. Whatever happened to drainage not being a weird word? I just watched the video of the lady who got the Chewbacca mask. If you know what I'm talking about. You know the video? This lady gets a Chewbacca mask. And she's just like laughing. It's pretty good. I'm spilling junk all over the stove, ladies and gentlemen. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. So I did something this morning. You'll get to see what I did. It's so weird. I'm going to spend the next hour cooking instant noodles. And in that hour, I will do 3 reviews. I've been doing 3 reviews a day lately. So it's like in 1 week, I do, well, it hasn't always been working out that I do it every day. But basically in 1 week, I can do half a month's worth of episodes, which is great. Because time is time. Anyways, so yeah. It's time for time. Time. I'm gonna try to unfurl this rice noodle a little bit as it steeps. There we go. And of course, now it's time for the new part of the show. My new favorite thing in the universe. I'm gonna read you a quote out of the fine bestseller Momofuku Ando Speaks by the inventor of instant noodles. This is only available for people who, I guess, work at the company he founded. That's the only problem is like I do these, but I'm not trying to like diverge from Mama. By the way, with the last one, it started, my life was full of vicissitudes. So I had a long conversation with Stumpy yesterday, Stumpy from Little Rock, Arkansas, about the term vicissitudes. We looked it up and used it. We've been using it for the last 15 hours, I'd say. So basically it could go like this. This year has been full of vicissitudes, starting with earthquakes and COVID and raining cats. You know, just like a bunch of bad things. Anyways, that's the vicissitudes. Now we're on to number 4. Whenever I had lost the shirt on my back, I would tell myself, it's only my shirt I've lost, and in its place I have gained a great deal of experience. And then I would find myself filled with renewed courage. So basically, the godfather of ramen imparting some life experience info. It's a true fact. It is a true fact. You learn a lot more from losing than you do from winning. Because if you won, you already knew how to do that, I guess. So, but yeah, winning. And it's already time. See, I don't know if I want to use that bowl now, but I think I'm gonna. I think I'll still do it. I don't know, what do you think? I think I'll do what I'm gonna do. Turning it off. Yeah, stir-fried baby clam. This needs to warm up. At least I need the sachet. So this is gonna be like right at the end of August. Right now it's like the 10th. I believe it'll be after the contest is over. This is one of the contest shirts. So, see? The Ramen Raider. I hope you won. I hope you're all real winners. You can be a winner in the game of life. I haven't played that game in a long time. God, we used to play that. We used to play a game called Skittles. That was not to do with the snack, but it was like a little top that you would spin. I don't know that did we actually play it? I don't know. I just remember we had it and I was young. A little bit of sweet. I think once I add this, things are going to be different. Hopefully not too different. Hopefully we're all a little older, a little wiser. Less vicissitudes, as it were. I think I'm going to probably end up, once I've read each and every one of the little quotes from Momofuku Ando, I will have them, I will be impossible to live with, basically. I want to memorize them all. Okay. Is there more that I'm missing here? Drain well, remove lid, add seasoning powder, yeah, stir and enjoy. Definitely needs a lot of stirring. That's better. Wow. Spicy stir-fried baby clam. Spicy stir-fried baby clam flavor rice noodles. Here we are. Let's give them a try. I'm curious. I hope I like them. Ooh. You're not kidding about the spicy. It's got a kick on it like a mule. Wow. Spicy, salty, clammy, sweet. That's what I'm getting. Not bad. The question is, what I'm going to do to this? I've got some coriander, and I think what I'm just going to do is cut it Oh, well, come back, come back, come back. Snip it and put it in with it. It's kind of sad looking, I'll give it that. Maybe I'll throw some mung bean sprouts in there too. I think there's enough liquid to give it still a nice colorant. Shorter too. I think maybe tomato would go really well with this. Is that what's on it? No? I see like basil. Looks like Thai basil. That would rock on this too. Okay. You know, I'm gonna use this one. I was gonna use the other one, but I'm gonna use this one. Now what do I do? I don't know what to do now. This is kind of a different thing deal. Oh look, there it is. Maybe some more coriander, put it on top. Cause it kind of feed it. Yeah, something like that. And maybe some seed. Some pepper flake. And I think that's about as far as I'm gonna go with it. Yeah. I think that'll work. Pretty yummy stuff, spicy. If you don't like spicy, this is gonna be a little much for you. But lucky for me, I am a fan of said spicy. So let's allow the rotato to happen. Turn up the music, and there we go. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Rainer wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Hope you have a good one, and